Good morning. My name is Michelle McHenry with 7 Day Kitchens, and we are here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We started the project in August. We met with them in regards to their kitchen remodeling, and the biggest thing that they wanted was to have a more open feel.
So I think the main thing and the most important thing to us was that we had a wall taken out here that divided the kitchen and dining room and only gave us like a little doorway opening here. It really kept natural light out of the kitchen area, and it just didn't fit with the rest of our house.
So we went ahead and brought in a structural engineer to investigate and make sure that that would be a safe option for them, which it was. So we were able to remove this wall and open up into this space. So by opening up this wall, they get more sun coming in from that window, adding the lighting, and we went with the lighter backsplash. The whole room just feels larger and is much brighter for her to do her cooking and entertaining.
I can't even describe how much of a difference it makes in the space to not have the wall there.
Yeah.
It's been huge.
I think we talked about the kitchen before, and I think we always felt like it's going to take weeks and weeks to do, and I feel like that's almost too much to do.
Even though they had asked for 10 days, since we were taking a wall down, they got it done in 7. And so now we have a great space where everybody can fit.
You can really gather, you know.
It was a fantastic experience, and I cannot speak highly enough. Would recommend them to anybody.